This is a makeup tutorial. It's like a karaoke room. So here's our victim.
An overcrowded karaoke room.
First things first, ilagay mo ng lip balm para ma-moisturize yung ano.
Yes, sure.
Yeah,
Lip balm.
Ganun mo. And then,
Introduce yourselves, makeup artists.
and then,
Introduce yourself, young woman.
go.
Makeup artist, introduce yourself.
No, wait, we need the mic.
Hi, I'm Bianca.
No, wait. Okay. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Hyra Makato and I will be giving Avery a makeup tutorial, a makeup session. So first things first, we're going to apply a setting powder from L'Oreal Paris. Okay.
L'Oreal Paris True Match on the shade Nude.
Yeah. What she said.
The light is covering it.
So first you do this, then dab it all over his face.
Dab.
That is not a dab. That is a lot.
You dab it like yes. Put that.
Sir, how do you feel about getting
Put
makeup?
that on.
I'm
Make his
pretty
face
fine.
pretty.
Are you gay?
Bisexual.
Oh.
Now don't post that to Facebook.
We are posting this on Facebook, right?
Oh, we're posting this on YouTube.
Oh, yes.
Let's make this
I
viral.
hope this goes viral, right?
Yes, and this is my partner in crime.
We're the host of this show. What is the name of the show?
I don't know.
RMJ.
RMJ, which I have no idea what it is.
Oh, Rochelle and
Okay, how are you feeling, sir?
Rochelle and Joaquin.
I'm fine.
I call this guy crazy.
If you
I call
look
this
at
guy
it,
Onet-chan.
the L'Oreal
She's older than me,
Paris
but she's
really
shorter.
does matches his
Oh,
face.
wait.
It only costs 499 pesos.
It matches your skin.
Okay, this is sponsored by L'Oreal Paris. Thank you, L'Oreal.
It's so beautiful.
It's so amazing. It matches your skin.
What if it feels like nothing happened?
I know,
Literally nothing happened.
No,
What?
that's better. It looks natural.
Yeah, but it's not true to you.
I will not proceed to
The next makeup tutorial should be next on the coffin.
I'll do his cheeks, so I'm gonna use
Are you gonna
cheek
put
and lip
blushes?
balm. Yeah.
Don't put blushes.
Let me say.
So I'm gonna use Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint. It's cheek and lip tint.
So beautiful.
I put it on
so
his
powdery.
cheek.
Sir, what made you? You were the one who wanted this. What do you say about this?
What?
Walang
You were the one who wanted this.
Okay lang.
So beautiful.
Birthday naman ni Bianca ngayon eh.
Ako eh.
Yes.
It
So we
looks-
shout out for happy birthday, Bianca.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday to me.
By the way, most of us here are straight.
Yeah, I am straight.
No, I'm pan. Hi guys, I'm pan. I'm proud.
Are you sure you're bi?
No, I'm pan. I'm pan.
Okay, that's
How about you? Are you?
I used to be bi.
Are you part of the squad or the gay squad?
Go back.
No response from this one.
How about you?
I am straight. Very, very straight.
Hoy, ano lang ginagawa din sa akin?
I'm gonna send
You're
it
so
with
beautiful. Don't worry. We'll
I'm gonna
send you a
send it with
picture.
I think we need some blush.
I told you guys to make me look pretty.
Guys, I think we went overboard on the blush.
Don't worry. It's very far from clown.
Yeah, legit. You're so cute.
I think he's gonna look
I'm just
very
setting it.
adorable.
I'm just setting it kasi with blush.
But it's not adorable.
Why did you
but
want? Why did
sexy.
you put blush on him?
Wait,
He's a guy.
Purple siya.
Because we're not.
oh my god.
But then put on
I would
your
agree
lips.
only for the dabbing thing, but
My goodness.
Question. Is
On
this
your
washable?
yes.
Yes,
Yan.
now they're applying the lip.
Wow, sanay na sanay. Wow.
Have you ever put makeup on yourself?
No.
Oh my god, I'm loving how you're so pretty. Okay.
Wait. Shout out to Lindsay. She wasn't here when this happened. She just left. Lindsay just left.
Such a sad man.
I'll do the key line.
Okay, what the product is that?
So this is Revlon Color Stay Eyebrow Liner. Oh, it's a liner.
You don't know your own product?
It's a brow liner, boy.
Oh, it's a brow liner. I thought it was eyeliner.
Wait,
Okay.
put it on the light. It's so dark in here.
He looks Korean. Okay.
Okay, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So we're just gonna do that. We're gonna make it so archy.
Why is it brown? He doesn't have brown eyebrows.
You have very long
Ay, ganun
eyebrows.
eh. Ganun ka man.
Sorry, what? You have very long eyebrows.
Eyebrow. Ito ba hairy?
Hairy eyebrows.
Bushy.
Hairy.
Ako, it's a thread. I'm a flea.
Wait, is your hair really gray or or
No.
blue?
It's enough. It's both. Gray here. tapos
Anyway,
may
back on
blue
topic.
Yes, girl.
Okay, so guys, you see, this is really rare that a guy will allow you to make them up. And I can say these girls, sinusulit nila.
Excuse me, there are also guys who are being, who
Have
agree
you
to
heard
be
about James
makeup.
Charles, Jeffree Star? They're
Yeah,
doing makeup and
boyfriends.
they're
Yeah,
guys.
the one yes, they wear makeup.
Oh, I've never been a boyfriend, okay?
But the problem is,
I'm making
they
you
don't wear
sad.
blush. They don't wear lip tint. They don't wear lip tint.
I'm just setting it with L'Oreal again. Kasi
Lagay mo sa ano, sa... Wala kang eyeshadow.
And here,
Wala nga eh.
I'm
Ano
here.
lang?
Carry on, carry on.
And though you're
I remember this song one time. I
what's
laughed
the
so
worst
hard.
that I
don't
can
know.
Hey
say?
guys,
Yes.
can I request smoky eyes?
Oh, okay,
sure.
go ahead.
Oh.
Why not? Someone
I
requested.
just want
Oh, he
you to be
requested?
natural.
Requested. Why? Do you want to be like a sexy person? Sexy, pretty,
Okay,
Uy,
adorable.
may date siya mamaya.
Oh!
Sino date mong lalaki?
Sino?
Sino yan?
What?
Wala.
Ew. Yeah.
Ew.
Selos si Sajito.
Okay, what do you guys hate about Leonio? Spill it out. Okay.
Guys, let's not go there.
Where are we going anyway?
Vivi, mamaya. He's
Are you
going
Oh,
okay?
I remember now.
Yes, my teachers are gonna see me later.
Kincha na?
Ito, eyeliner. Handa, handa!
What's that?
Eyeliner. From Nichido.
Wait, guys, do you have extra eyeliner?
Wala.
Ay, papahabahin mo pa to.
Hanggang dito. Hanggang dito. Parang ano na eh. Parang Parang 7
Okay, next we're going to apply mascara. This is
Oh, I saw
from
that in the
Maybelline,
advertisement.
the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara.
Waterproof.
waterproof.
It doesn't go as much, so
How much was this? How much was this?
it's
Don't say.
worth.
This was like around 399 pesos.
No, it's 199.
What?
199.
Is this from? Ah, okay,
Which
sorry.
is the trill?
Okay.
Now, look how
Wow!
Stop it.
Put your eye down.
I shouldn't be enjoying this.
No, I didn't say close your eyes. Just put your eye down.
Oh shit. No, close your
Open
eyes.
your eyes.
Ira, you fucked up.
Why? Open your eyes and then look down.
What?
Oh my god! Open your eyes, look down.
Yeah, I like your eyelashes. It's so nice.
I know,
I
right?
heard that
Wow.
boys have longer
Ang
eyelashes
ganda sa
than
eyelashes
girls.
niya.
Please give me your lashes.
Boy, eyelashes
Boy,
are
I
longer
need
than
those
girls.
lashes. Ang liit ang lashes
Yes.
nito.
Uy, dapat we need to picture him before
Ganun
and
ka-
after.
Ganun ka-
Oh no, we didn't picture him
But it's just natural
before.
eyelash.
Ganda
Oh.
mo.
Look how pretty it's going on.
Legit, ang ganda sa'yo.
May crush ka na kay Avery.
Kasi konti yung buhok niya sa baba. Okay lang.
Don't you feel fabulous?
What? Why did you show?
How do you
Don't
feel
you
right
feel
now? Putting on
Wait,
mascara?
eyeshadow.
Do you understand the
Oh,
struggles of
see
girls
the
now?
difference?
Look the difference of his eyelashes. I don't see any differences.
Post mo yun sa GC mamaya, ah.
Oh, there it is. Open.
Yo, it's too close. You gotta shoot the whole place.
Okay, fine. Here, go far.
What do you mean? You're too far, too far. Smile.
Smile at the camera. Oh, he's enjoying it.
Hindi ako masyado magaling sa eyeliner.
Apparently my partner in crime is
Ayaw
really
mo sa
excited.
eyeliner.
This is the very first time I'm
New
doing
chance?
this.
Did you with this guy?
Now my nose is itchy.
Nani?
Where's
Shut up.
Lindsay? When's Lindsay?
Ilagay kita ng eyeliner.
Lindsay.
Yeah, sure.
Guys,
You want eyeliner?
Guys,
So it will be more smoky. Legit.
Sit down.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
No difference.
Okay.
Are we done?
Not yet.
No.
I'm putting eyeliner.
Okay, go. Continue.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes, legit. So I'm gonna put eyeliner on his freaking.
Eyes.
Did you scoot it up already?
No, it's not.
Should I zoom it in? So
Not yet.
One.
I see.
Don't make us laugh.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't open it. It's still wet.
Ah, yun.
Oh
Make
my
a
God,
butterfly.
Bianca. Can I try?
Who is that girl I see?
Stare it straight back at me.
Kaya mo ba wing?
Hmm?
Oh my
Go lang, go lang.
Oh my gosh, what is this? What's happening?
I'm a newbie here.
We need... My wife's naman buti na lang. We can restart. Okay lang.
All the clubs you get in using my name.
Okay, tapos na siya.
You broke my heart, oh girl, forget
Ganda
this.
niya. Lagay mo na ng wig.
I forgot my flower crown at home.
Lying.
Okay.
Wait, why is it down? What is up?
Open your eyes.
Look at it.
Guys, what the heck?
Baby, I've been moving on.
Oh, that's so pretty.
I can still feel the eyeliners. They're
Oh
still
my
wet.
god, it's so beautiful.
You wanna look?
Beautiful.
Guys, what the heck?
How do you feel about this?
Speechless actor.
You're gonna be so smoky eyes. Smoky eyes.
Yo, where's the smoky eyes? You need the smoky eyes, right? Hide
Ayun na
them.
nga. Ayun na nga.
Don't sing, come on.
I shall take your picture.
Where's that?
Seriously,
Do you
this
have
is pretty?
eyeshadow?
I don't have eyeshadow.
I don't think it's
Very
good.
ito, pwede yung blush as
No, it's not pretty at all.
You have to match it.
Yes! Yes! Look at me.
Oh, what?
But you never know me every day. If I play this song, if I run I ruined Okay na sana eh, yung eyeliner talaga.
Staring right back at me. When will my reflection show who I am inside?
I know. Sorry. The world where I
Beautiful.
Smile.
Oh, come on, guys.
Smile.
But somehow I will show you the world what's inside my heart.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Making your nose longer.
It's called contour.
It's not.
Go na!
Who is that girl I see staring
Wait. Let me control your hand. Let me.
back at me?
I don't want to get my hand. Perfect.
So, ayusin niyo yun.
So this is the finished makeup look. Please subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel. We are the hosts.
Murder and crime. This is crazy.
This is Onet-chan.